Hello students, today we are going to take Unit 3, Comprehension of Technical Materials and Texts. Students, reading technical materials involves a complex process of obtaining discipline-specific information and retaining this information for future use and reference. So, technical texts are the written texts that carry some scientific and technical information necessary for the future uses. But since technical texts they use a definite scientific technical word jargon style, they need to be comprehended and apprehended well, and this part of the lesson will teach us how can we read and understand any comprehension passage. So students, firstly we introduce, because writing is scientific process, therefore understanding it also requires scientific procedures. So we have firstly we introduce texts. They are scientific texts, instruction manuals and technical materials. Reading is crucial to academic or professional success. We need excellent reading skills to read different reading materials, scientific texts, instruction manuals and technical manuals in different forms of professional courses who do not have a systematic approach to reading and do not apply appropriate strategies. They face difficulties in understanding a scientific text. They suffer from lack of concentration, boredom, or low reading ability. So, a poor comprehension leads to a poor understanding of the text. It is important for such students to be able to read and understand scientific materials so that they can use the informations mentioned there. Reading scientific and technical texts is entirely different from reading general material. When we have to read newspaper, we may simply open the newspaper and start reading it. However, we may do not do so while reading a technical material like an article. If you read an article, you do not read it in a form of newspaper or a story. You need to prepare your mind to receive the information, because you have to receive as well as retain the important informations contained in that. In order to ensure a high degree of understanding and remembrance, you have to focus on the subject so that you can concentrate better. Then the reader should use appropriate prediction techniques to guess. One more thing you can do, you should recall related information that you already know and determine the time you will need to complete the reading assignment. So this is what you can do before comprehension. So there are two techniques popularly common: scanning and skimming. Scanning the text provides the reader with some key information about the text that will make reading faster and more effective. Scanning techniques are useful to discover graphic information. If you look for any reference or bibliography listing and look for any notes, questions or remarks at the end of the text, identifying non-verbal signs and other aids in reading text make reading easier. The second is we have to skim the text. Skimming the text means drawing out essence of the idea. It provides better comprehension and ensures a high degree of remembrance. You discover the purpose of organization of the text. You understand the subject of the text and other central idea. So skimming is taking out the important ideas, the central ideas from the text. So scanning and skimming with together used to get the written texts. Further, two methods are suggested that you can observe. Here, two reading methods are described: the ERRQ reading technique and the SQ3R reading method. Either of these methods, as you feel convenient and feel, can be used for reading a technical text. Let's introduce the ERRQ reading technique. It has 4 stages. ERRQ has 4 stages, that is E for estimate, then read, respond, and question. The basic purpose of this strategy is to get the reader to link what he has with the new information. This question might be useful for reading any kind of text. So, estimating, reading, responding, and again questioning will take him into the deep of the information. So, estimate. When you estimate something, you estimate what the text will be like. Rapid reading techniques may be used for this purpose. Then R, read the text carefully and thoroughly. Respond. After reading the text, you respond within your mind. You have a parallel responding, and it allows you to get the text further and further. Then finally remains question things about the text and analyze the responses to it. Questioning is the better way of further learning the context. So you question the people of your group of the same interest to further go in the depth. Technique of questioning and discussing will help you to get it further. The second technique we have is SQ and 3R. So SQ3R reading technique is a well tried and widely used reading technique. It has been recommended by a number of communication experts and ESL researchers, as it ensures a high degree of understanding and remembrance. SQ3R, it has 5 strategies. Survey, that is glancing rapidly to discover its purpose and identify its organization. When you're reading a text, you are glancing, you're looking at rapidly that text, and you try to discover its purpose and identify its organization. Then you question, asking appropriate question related to that subject, to the point, give a purpose to the reading. Then read. Reading and making notes at the end of each section further helps you to keep it in your mind. Then recalling means remembering it back, recalling, checking, and amending notes. Then finally, revise. Revise means again recalling and reviewing the notes, checking the accuracy of reading. The following technical documents are comprehended with the above 2 methods. Reading technical manuals. When you read a technical manual, what is a technical manual? Technical manuals are detailed guidelines to use, operate, and maintain complex systems. It includes instruction manuals, safety manuals, regulations, and user manuals. And reading technical manuals requires various reading strategies, as we have discussed above. In reading and interpreting graphic informations, firstly, a graph is an aid, it's a tool generally used in technical documents, and a graph can be of 4 types. It can be a table, it can be diagrams, it can be chart, and it can be the graphical representation of an idea. Understanding a technical text helps you to form a good summarization and drawing the notes out of it. This is how we come to the end of reading and understanding comprehension text.